Hello students, in this video we will discuss Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Consider the function y is equals to f of x defined on the interval x0, xn. Divide the interval x0, xn such that x0 is less than or equal to x1, less than or equal to x2, less than, and so on, less than or equal to xn, and the values of x are equally spaced. Values of x means x0, x1, x2, they are all equally spaced. That is, xi is equal to x0 plus ih. I runs from 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n. And you know that this h is called interval of differencing. Assume that f of x is single valued function. F of x is single valued function and continuous and that is known explicitly, then the values of f of x corresponding to certain given values of x, say x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn can easily be calculated and tabulated. Okay. Therefore, for the given set of values, for a given set of values, order pair x0, y0, order pair x1, y1 and so on up to order pair xn, yn of x and y, we obtain a polynomial, yn of x of nth degree such that yn of x agree at the tabulated values. Okay. Now y and yn of x is a polynomial. Is a polynomial of nth degree. Is a polynomial of nth degree. It can be written as okay, see here, consider a function y is equals to f of x in the interval, closed interval x0, x. Divide this interval such that x0 is less than or equal to x1 is less than or equal to and so on up to is less than or equal to xn, and the values of x are equally spaced. Assume that the f of x is single valued function and continuous. Values of f of x corresponding to certain given values of x, say x0, x1, x2 and so on xn, can be easily calculated and tabulated. Therefore, for given set of values, this x and y, we obtain a polynomial yn of x of nth degree. Okay, and that polynomial is nothing but yn of x. In previous video we have already seen that a0 plus a1 into x minus xn plus a2 into x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1 plus a3 into x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1. Okay, here is also into x minus xn minus 1. Okay, I will write here plus a3 into x minus xn minus 1 into x minus xn minus 2. Here is 3, so here is x minus xn, sorry, here is x minus xn, next term is x minus xn minus 1 and next term is x minus xn minus 1. So last term is an, x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1, next term is x minus xn minus 2 and so on up to x minus x. This is the polynomial. Okay. The Newton's backward difference interpolation formula is yn of x is equals to yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus and so on up to plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 and so on up to p plus n minus 1 upon n factorial into delta raised to yn. This is the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Here x is equal to xn plus ph. Okay, so you will get h is equal to x minus xn upon p. Sorry, here is p P is equal to x minus xn upon h. This is the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Okay, let us take examples. Example number 1. Find the interpolating polynomial from the following data using Newton's backward difference interpolation formula to obtain the value of y of 50. Okay, we have given x and y 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 7, 18, 32, 48, 85. Okay, first we will construct backward difference table. Backward difference table as follows. Backward difference table. Okay, just say backward difference table is, okay, here is x, y, del y, del square y, del cube y. I will write here x, y, del square y, del cube y, and del raised to 4. See here, x is 0, 10, 20, 30, and this is 40. Okay, what are the values? 7, 18, 32, 48, 85. Del y. 18 minus 7 is 11. Okay, 32 minus 18 is 14. 48 minus 32, 60. 85 minus 48 is 37. This is del y n. Okay. Next is del square y, means difference of these two is 3. 16 minus 14 is 2. 37 minus 16 is 21. This is del square y n. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 21 minus 2 is 19. This is del cube y n. And 19 minus minus becomes plus 1 is 20, which is equal to del raised to 4 y n. Okay. Now write down the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. By Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Yn of x is equal to yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus and so on up to plus p into p plus 1 and so on up to p plus n minus 1 upon n factorial into del raised to n y n. Okay. Here we set here xn, x is equals to xn plus ph. So we will get x is equals to x minus xn upon h. This is xn and this is yn. X minus xh, sorry, here is p is equals to x minus xn upon h. What is the value of x? Here we have to find y of 50. So value of x is 50. 50 minus xn. Xn is 40 upon h. H means interval of differencing, which is 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10 is 10, which is equals to 10 upon 10, which is equals to 1. So you will get p is equals to 1. Okay. Now and also what is yn is equals to 85, del yn is equals to 37, del square yn is equals to 21, del cube yn is equals to 19, del raised to 4 of yn is equals to 20 and p is equals to 1. P is equals to 1. Substitute these all the values. Put all these values in equation. Suppose call this equation star. In star you will get y of 50, because here we will replace x by 50. So yn is 85. 85 plus p is 1 into del yn. Del yn is 37. Okay. Plus p into p plus 1 means this is 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 2 factorial into del square yn. Del square yn is 21. Okay. Plus p into means 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3 upon 3 factorial into del cube yn is 19 plus next term will be p into p plus 1, p plus 2 into p plus 3. So this will be plus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4yn is 20. Okay. Simplify this, you will get 182. Y of 50 is 182. Very simple. First construct backward difference table as this. Next find the value of p by using this formula. Okay. Next, yn, write down the values of yn, delta del yn, del square of yn, del cube of yn, del raised to 4 of yn, and p is equals to 1. Put all these values in this formula and solve. You will get required answer. Okay. Let us take next example. Find the seventh term of the series of the series 2, 9, 28, 65, 126, 270, and the general term. Also find eighth term. Okay. You have to find seventh term of this series. First we construct the forward difference table. We construct the forward difference table as follows. Forward difference table as follows. Okay. Here x, y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4y. Okay. You have to find the seventh term of the series. So here x is 0, 1. You have to give on how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, up to 5 only, because this 5 and this one term is 6. So first value is y0 is equals to 2, 9, next is 28, next is 65, next is 126, and this is 270. Difference of these two is 9 minus 2 is 7. This is delta y0. 28 minus 9 is 19. Next is 65 minus 28, 37. This is 61. This difference is 91. 19 minus 7 is 12. This is delta square y0. This difference is 18. 61 minus 37 is 24. This is 30. Okay. Next is 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 is equals to del cube y0. 24 minus 18 is 6. This is 6. Again this difference is 0, 0. Obviously next del raised to 5 y is 0. Here we have given y0 is equals to 2, delta y0 is equals to 7, delta square y0 is equals to 12, delta cube y0 is equals to 6, and delta raised to 4 y0 is equals to 0. Okay. The seventh term of the series is See here, suppose this is y0 is first term of this series. Okay, I will tell you here. Y0 is the first term of the series. This is second. This is y1. This is y2, y3, y4, y5. So seventh term of the series is y6. Is y6. And you know the formula. E raised to r y0 is yr. So y6 is equal to e raised to 6 y0, which is equal to 1 plus delta raised to 6 y0. 1 plus delta raised to 6. Simplify this bracket by using binomial expansion. You will get y0 plus 6 into delta y0 plus 6 into 6 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus 6 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube y0 plus delta raised to 4 y0 is 0. So next term will be 0. Now substitute the values of, here you will give a reason, delta raised to 4 y0 and other differences are 0. And other differences, why this is? Because since delta raised to 4 of y0 and other differences are 0. Other differences are 0. Okay. Put the values of delta y0. Here you will get y6 is equals to y0 is 2 plus next is 6 into delta y0 is 7 plus simplify this 6 into 6 minus 1 means 6 into 5 upon 2 factorial. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 upon 2 is 15. 15 into del square of y0 is 12 plus 20. Simplify this, you will get 20 into delta cube of y0 is 6. Okay. So you will get 334. Simplify this by using calculator. Therefore, seventh term of the series is 334. Sorry, 344. Now we have to find the general term of the series. Here you will for general term you require the values of delta y0, delta square y0. Okay, I will write here. The general term of the series is yn, which is equals to e raised to n of y0. You know that e is delta raised to n y0. Okay. By using binomial expansion, y0 plus nc1. nc1 means n minus n factorial upon n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. NCR, formula of NCR is n factorial upon n minus 1 r factorial into r factorial. Use this formula and simplify. Okay. NC1 delta of y0 plus NC2 delta square of y0 plus NC3 delta cube of y0 plus 0, because delta raised to 4 y0 and other differences are 0. Okay, which is equals to, what is the value of y0? It is 2 plus NC1 is 7. Sorry, NC1 is n, because n factorial upon n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial get cancelled, so here remains only n. And what is the value of delta of y0? Delta of y0 is 7. So 2 plus 7 n plus NC2. NC2 means n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square of y0 is 12 plus NC3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial into del cube of y0. Simplify this by using NCR formula. This is 3 factorial. Del cube of y0 is 6. Okay, you will get this n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus. Simplify this. Okay, which is equals to n plus 1 cube plus 2. Sorry, here is 1. If you expand n plus 1 cube by using the formula of a plus b cube, this formula is a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square plus 1. So n plus 1 cube is n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1, and your actual term is plus 2, and this plus 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. So up to this term can be written as n plus 1 cube plus 1. Okay, so you will get yn is equals to n plus 1 cube plus 1. Therefore yx is equals to x plus 1 cube plus 1, means 9 cube plus 1, which is 730. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.